Eamonn O'Grady, driving for Kehoe Farming. We're going into our third season now with the ProDig Mammoth. It's been handling well. It's impressive fork. I've helped now with the bigger trailers and all the longer tags, been able to carry that extra bit up the pit. Obviously been able to get rid of the loads faster. You're able to do more rolling and tidying up on your sides and whatnot, and so it keeps everybody happy. It would take the pressure off. It's a good size for that loader. The New Holland 190, handling it very well. Build quality is impressive. One of the features I actually like on that one over the older one we had is there's a locking mechanism on the top on the fold out, and it seems to take some of the pressure off the bottom pins. I tell them to go ahead and go for it. It's working well for us, so you know, there's no reason to I tell no one to go anywhere else. Like, no, I wouldn't change a thing on it. Quite happy now.